In today's video, I am going to teach you how to set up Bill.com account. If you are ready to manage your business billing and payments in one place, the first thing you will do is create your Bill.com account. This is a simple process, and following the steps in order will help everything go smoothly. To begin, go to the Bill.com sign-up page. You can do this by opening your web browser and navigating directly to the sign-up section of the site. Once the page loads, take a moment to confirm you are on the correct sign-up screen. This matters because the layout can differ between the main website and the registration page. Next, click the Get Started or Sign Up button. On most versions of the home page, this button is located in the top right corner. Look closely for the button labeled Get Started or Sign Up, then select it. Clicking this button moves you from the general website into the registration form, where you will enter the basic information needed to create your account. After you click Sign Up, the page will ask you for your business details. You will be prompted to provide your business name and a contact method such as an email address, along with contact information. Enter your business name exactly as you want it to appear in your account. This is important because it will be used throughout your dashboard experience. For the contact section, enter the information that Bill.com will use to reach you about your account setup and any important account updates. Now you will input your business information as requested. The form may ask for details such as your industry, your company size, and your billing address. For industry, choose the option that best matches how your business operates. For company size, select the range that fits your organization most accurately. Then provide your billing address in the fields provided. Make sure the address is accurate, including any suite or unit details, because billing information is used for account records and may be referenced later. Once all of those fields are completed, double-check what you entered. Before you submit anything, review the business name, your selected industry and company size, and the billing address. Taking an extra moment here helps prevent delays that can happen when the information needs to be corrected. When everything looks correct, click Get Started. This is typically the final button on the sign-up form. After you click it, Bill.com will process your registration. Depending on the page, you may be taken to the next stage of setup or to a confirmation screen. If the site asks you to continue, follow the on-screen instructions so your account creation completes successfully. After your account is created, you are ready to navigate your dashboard. The dashboard is where you will see the main tools and sections for managing billing tasks. At this point, your account setup is complete enough for you to begin exploring. Take a moment to look around and familiarize yourself with the navigation options on the screen. This will help you find features faster as you start working within Bill.com. And that covers everything you need to know. With your Bill.com account set up, you can now move forward with organizing your billing and payment workflows inside your dashboard. And that is all there is to it.